We have Red Velvet, Kristen, Naughty, Candy K, and Posy K. So first gloss I'm going to try for you is Naughty. It's a deep red color, and let's see how it goes. So here is Naughty, you guys. Do I really need to review this? Do I really need to, guys? The pigment is crazy. It went on super easy and it's super pigmented. Like one swipe and you're good to go for the full lips. So you use the minimum of the product, guys. See this gloss, and it's not even, you know, this kind of glosses that sticks to your hair and like make these stick marks between your lips. It's amazing. Look at this rich deep red color. Do I need to say more? I love it. So on to the next, please. Posy K. You know, guys, this one is so popular. It won an award, but not the gloss. The matte one won an Allure best pink shade lipstick kind of thing. So let's try the gloss and see if it's as good as the matte one. So guys, here is Posy K gloss. Wow, same pigment as Naughty, so rich in color, glides on really easily. Check the reflection. Still same formula, not sticky at all, and the shade really works with light medium skin tones, and I'm pretty sure with deep color skin tones it's gonna be amazing too. So next, on to the next. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to try Candy K. Okay guys, this is the prettiest nude I've ever put on my lips. Do you know the concealer-y colors of nudes? It never worked with me. I always feel like I'm pale or I'm sick or I need some hydration. This one, see guys, the nude, it's perfect. I want you to guys, oh my god. And I feel like nudes don't really go with my skin tone. I'm like a light medium or a medium, so nudes on me feel pretty light. It seems like a concealer kind of color, but this one, it's perfect. It's so pigmented. It's not concealer-y color. Guys, the formula on the glosses is amazing. So now we're gonna see the Kristen. See, yeah, it's the Kristen one. I'm gonna see if it's as good as the glosses. The problem with the mattes is that sometimes it's really drying. On her sides, she said that they are not drying and they actually hydrate. So let's see if it accentuates the, you know, the lines on my lips or not. So let's go. So guys, it's amazing. First thing that I noticed, first of all I'm gonna let it dry first, but first thing that I noticed is that it's way pigmented than the glosses, because it's actually just one swipe, va boom, and it's on. The other, it's usually 2 swatches, which is fine because it's a gloss. I don't feel like it's drying. I didn't even put a moisturizer or like a lip balm before I put it on. So guys, you know, last but not least, we're gonna try the Velvet edition. It was for a holiday edition, I guess, and it's still sold out right now. But I guess from like a week ago they uploaded that it has been restocked, so that's a good thing. So if you want to go buy it, like, do it. Like, if you find it in stock, please go buy it. It's the perfect red shade, every skin tone, and it's velvet, not matte, so it's not drying. It's actually really moisturizing, and it has a lip liner. So let's go and see how it goes. Need to say more, guys. Check this color. The pigment is so good. Wow, I really love it. Looks matte, but it's actually velvet, and what is good about her velvet formula is that it's not drying at all, unlike the matte. The matte is not drying, but this is extra hydrating, and the lip liner makes you have an extra precise application. So Kylie Jenner, wow, good job. Like really, I recommend every single piece of what I've tried today. Of course, you could tell from the swatches what shade you like more, so I hope it helped. I hope you really like it. Please like and subscribe to